For the last month, I've been working on a 2D platformer game called Frostbound. That's right, I finally decided on a name. I thought this fit very well because the game is set in a frozen world. This week started off by adding new sprites to the player, the enemy and some other things. I got these sprites from craftpicks.com and I think they look really cool and fit well with the game. I had my friend Laserbot playtest the game and I got busy with fixing all the bugs and glitches he found. A very big tip to any game developer out there is to have your game playtested by others, because they're prone to find bugs and issues that you would have never found. On top of that, it's great to get feedback, both positive and negative, on the project you've been working on. Anyway, I reduced the dashing cooldown to only half of what it originally was, and I added a simple piece of UI to show the cooldown. This made the game feel way better because now you can dash twice as much, and it also felt more fair to play since you actually know when you can dash again. After this and some more bug fixing, I had to make an entire app for a school project. It was pretty fun, but it was also very complicated and it took me a lot of hours, but it was quite a fun experience and I learned a lot doing it. Anyways, after that I got back into game development. I decided to work on making some new levels as well as giving a new look to some other stuff in my game. I finally added a pause menu to the game. And something that I think most game developer YouTubers completely skip over is the tedious stuff while making games. Mainly because it might not be as fun to see or as cool as game mechanics and pretty graphics. I spent quite a lot of time fixing UI, debugging and other small stuff like that, which, like I said, is small but it's very important. While the average player will probably never notice these things being included or fixed, if they aren't there then they will notice. But it's quite boring to do as a developer. Anyway, I then made another level. I'm planning on making a total of 24 levels. Right now I have finished 19 levels, so another 5 need to be created in the next couple of weeks before I can finish the game. I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading as many devlogs as I originally wanted. I've mainly been very busy with school since we're nearing the end of the school year. Once my final exam week is over, I'll have plenty of time to work on games and make more videos. Oh, and when I say final exam, I mean of this year. I still have one more year of high school to go, unfortunately. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, since it really helps me out. That's it for today, so I'll see you guys in the next one.